What's up guys, this is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and in this video I'm going to walk you guys through how to do a gradient button inside of ClickFunnels Classic. Now, if you're a big ClickFunnels 2.0 user, you'll know that the gradient button colors actually are built in. It's a native feature, but in Classic it is not. So if you're still sticking with Classic, I'm your guy to show you how to adjust this. Let's go over to a tool that I like to use for gradients, that is Shapefactory.co. And then we'll just click on the gradient tool. This is a good place to just get gradient ideas, and then we can actually take the CSS code from it as well. So it's very simply put. So we can adjust the colors that we're looking for. Maybe we're looking for like a blue. We can adjust the lighting. We can adjust the pigments. There's a lot we can do here, but let's say we kind of go down the page and we say, you know what? This is actually a good color. We can even adjust the rotation of the gradients. So let's say this is where we want it. And then simply, we just click copy CSS. Now, once we have the CSS copied, obviously you're gonna need a funnel inside of ClickFunnels. Once we're inside of the funnel itself, really all we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to custom CSS, and we're gonna put the CSS that we have on our clipboard inside of the CSS field. And we're gonna put an open curly bracket there, and then we're gonna press enter. We're gonna put a closed curly bracket. And then really all we're gonna do is we're gonna put the class for buttons, which is .l button, and make sure it's a capital B, lowercase e. And we should see it take effect right away. So this is how you actually create gradient buttons inside of ClickFunnels Classic. I hope you guys enjoyed this training. If you wanna see more training like this, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss out on a training from us. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Repair My Funnel, we are a done-for-you tech support service. For a limited time, we are offering our services for $1 upfront for 30 days. If this is something that interests you, be sure to go to repairmyfunnel.com to get started today. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one.